Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD. It's Thursday, February 23rd, 2023. It is 7:33 and 34 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, babies' immune systems. So let's hop to it here. What makes the immune systems of premature born babies susceptible to deadly infections? Date February 22nd, 2023. Source, Ludwig Maximilians, University. The physicians have discovered why the immune system of prematurely born babies is not working optimally after birth. Every year, thousands of babies in Germany are born many weeks too early and often have to struggle for months. The earlier the babies are born, the higher the risk of life-threatening complications. Infections can lead to sepsis that are among the most frequent causes of death. In the case of very prematurely born infants, a bacterial infection can lead to death within hours, but now researchers have demonstrated that an immunostimulatory signaling pathway is suppressed in the developing immune system. Researchers had already shown in earlier studies that in the fetus and in newborns, important cells of the innate immune system, so-called neutrophils, do not work as in adults. In contrast to the situation in adults, fetal and neonatal neutrophils do not manage to sufficiently attach to the walls of blood vessels and extravasate into inflamed tissue. And this is necessary, however, to trigger an inflammatory response and thus initiate immune defense. As by means of so-called transcriptomic analysis, they compared the gene activity of neutrophils in umbilical cord blood of premature and full-term babies with adult neutrophils. As compared to adults, there is a lot of gene activity in premature and full-term infants that counteracts immune defense. In this case, these neutrophils act as if they were switched off. As this particularly affects signals transmitted via NFKB signaling pathway, which plays a decisive role in immune and inflammatory responses. It consists of two possible pathways or signals, one that promotes inflammation and one that suppresses it. Therefore, the activity of these two pathways must be finely balanced for proper regulation of the immune response. The experiments have shown that this balance is shifted towards the anti-inflammatory pathway in fetal and neonatal neutrophils, whereas this regulation, the neutrophil function, is clearly a requirement for normal fetal growth in utero that leads to immune defense problems in prematurely born infants who have to adapt too soon to the world outside the uterus. And to what extent these findings will be a springboard for new therapeutic approaches in the future remains to be seen. Due to the complex processes in the growing fetal and neonatal organism, maturation-adapted therapies are conceivable but remain a long way off at this stage. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.